It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. The time is now. See it for yourself today. For a great automotive experience, choose Bosak Honda. Come see us today at 710 US Highway 20 in Michigan City, Indiana.